For this example, it looks probably intimidating at first. Anytime people see fractions, they kind of get a little bit nervous. I've just noticed that over the years. But what I want to point out is that what we have here is this is the base, right? And we're trying to raise this to some kind of power to get over to 1/8. And obviously this is a size of fraction and this side is not a fraction. So normally actually when I think about this stuff myself, here's my brain, here's what I know. I know I'm definitely using a negative exponent for sure. Because the only way to get this 2 to flip over and become a fraction is to use a negative exponent. So once I know I'm going to be using a negative exponent, then I forget about the fact that this is flipped over. You know, I just think, okay, look, if it was 2 to something had to equal 8, what would I do? You know, and I would know the answer there is going to be 3. But of course I want this to be 1/8. I want this to flip over, so it won't be 3, it'll be -3. So the answer here will definitely be -3, and it's just a matter of recognizing that negative exponents are what makes a fraction flip over. So let's not worry about it being flipped over. Just pretend like it's not a fraction, figure out the number, and then make it negative so that it flips over when it's all said and done. This is a great exercise because it just reinforces the fact that what negative exponents do is flip numbers over. So if anytime your base is a whole number and what you're trying to land on is a fraction, you know you're using negative exponents. So your answer, of course, will be negative. It's good for your brain.